Hey guys, so we're gonna be unboxing some shoes I got for Christmas. It's Vans slip-ons. These are I just got these for Christmas. I just unwrapped them a couple hours ago, so we're gonna be unboxing them. With that Vans packaging, look at this. Look at this. And then here are the shoes. This is the spec that I got. The dark checkered spec. The dark checkered. Yeah, it's dark checkered with the black bottom, the inside Vans and stuff. Everyone these days are like, oh, they're just Vans. Yeah. Let me just get, yeah, they're just Vans, my guy. Every time I comment, someone like, no, these are high quality shoes. These shoes cost a lot of money, or like 60 bucks or something like that. These are definitely not cheap. These are the right pair. Here. Matching pair of shoes. I like Vans. You know, honestly, and it's not like, and I got these for Christmas. These are official Vans. These aren't some rip-off op-brand things like, oh yeah, we make fake Vans, my guy. No, these are official Vans made by the company. Off the wall. It's basically just murdered out with the white bottom part. So I'm gonna put these on, and then I'll see you guys back. Alright, so here's how they look on my feet. You know, standard Vans. There we go. Yeah. Thanks for watching.